Hello and welcome. On your screen is the flight ready and fully fueled Phoenix-1 rocket, and it is 5 minutes away from its first launch attempt. All operators from countdown 1, this is FTO. Final go no-go poll has begun for launch of Phoenix-1. Phoenix-1, ground systems, go. Deluge, go. Surrounding site, go. Clamps, go. Bird V1 engines, go. Earth-1, go. RCS, go. Vehicle systems, go. AOS, GOS. AOS and GOS have been armed and have taken over count. And finally, automatic abort procedures. Automatic abort procedures are armed and are ready for launch. We are moving into the final operator poll. G and C. Copy. G and C, go. FD. Copy. FD, go. MD. Copy. MDs, go. Vehicle System Manager. Copy. Vehicle System Managers, go. Launch Operations Manager. Copy. Launch Operations Managers, go. Range. Ranges, go. Federal Oversight. Federal Oversight is go. Weather. Weather is go. Health and Safety. Health and Safety is go. We are clear to proceed with launch of Phoenix-1. And as you heard, we are go to proceed with the launch of Phoenix-1 and Earth-1. RCS activation. KVC check. You're getting into the final 3 minutes before launch. KVC check nominal. All operators have reported they are go for a launch here out of the Poconos. Amazing historic day for the company. They're just T-minus 2 minutes 45 seconds. Should start to see some of the clamps disconnecting here, one by one. And we should hear some of the call-outs for the fuel load completions. Stage 1 RP1, Stage 1 LOX load has been completed. Stage 2 RP1, Stage 2 LOX load has been completed. Clamps disconnecting. There you go. There you go. All the fueling clamps have been disconnected. Phoenix-1 on the pad. You can see some more of those TVC checkouts. Got on boards. T-minus 1 minute 30 seconds. AOS GOS has been armed and taken over count. At this time, all operators, please be aware that any holds will result in a scrub and will result in a scrub. T-minus 1 minute. Vehicles in startup, vehicles on internal power. Top-off valves are closing. T-minus 45 seconds, we are go for launch. We are go for launch. Here we go. Phoenix-1 about to take off. T-minus 30 seconds. Let's light this candle. T-minus 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Liftoff. Go Phoenix-1. Go Earth-1. Vehicles pitching downrange. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal. just like that, Phoenix-1 has cleared the pad and is on its way to space with NASA's Earth-1. Beautiful liftoff from the Poconos. You can see the entire facility. There's the ocean. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal. Chamber pressures are nominal. Vehicle systems look nominal. Vibrations on the vehicle are within expected range. There you go. Phoenix-1 takes to the skies on her first flight test with NASA's Earth-1. You can really see on those onboards, you can see some of the depress systems. Vehicle propulsion nominal. So coming up, we will have three events in rapid succession. First, we will have MECO, or main engine cutoff, where the three first stage bird V1 engines will shut down. Then, after that, we will have the stage separation clamps will fire, separating the first and second stage. And then we will have, hopefully, a second stage engine ignition. MECO. Stage separation confirmed. We are on to stage 2. There you go. Successful stage separation. This burn will only last 30-ish seconds as it's just getting us ready for that orbital insertion burn as we do our burns a little different than others. Fairing separation confirmed. Selfie stick from Earth-1. And there you go, we have Seco-1. You can see so there will be a couple of burns on today's mission. We will first have the first orbital insertion burn, then we will have a correction burn. And there we go, we've had that engine relight. That music in the background giving us an indicator that we are in space. Stage 2 propulsion and trajectory is nominal. Vibrations on the vehicle are in expected ranges. Stage 2 trajectory and propulsion is nominal. not really much to talk about, as all we're really seeing is that second stage engine burning. We're coming up on that Seco 2, hopefully after an orbital insertion. Seco 2. We are not in orbit. Probably gonna have to do 4 burns today. Copy that. What, do we have the fuel margins? We do. Copy. So this burn will most likely circularize the orbit and make sure that the vehicle is in its intended orbit before hopefully we see a payload separation. Also, for some reason, the fairing decided to, instead of doing a clean separation, decided to we had it decompress after separation. That was planned for today's mission. On the next flight of Phoenix-1, it will be a clamshell deploy. And there you go, we've had that relight. Shut down. Gonna have to do... We are in the intended orbit. Now we are just gonna be waiting on a hopeful payload separation. There you can see the vehicle angling itself. There's the stage 2 deploy cam that we've been waiting to show at RCS as we are going into nighttime. Coming up on payload deploy in a couple seconds here. Earth-1 payload deploy. Successful payload deploy! Phoenix-1 has done it! Phoenix-1 has gotten to orbit, and it has gotten Earth-1 deployed, and it is going to start its science. There you go, we've had that monopropellant engine ignition. Coming up, we are going to stay with you for that stage 2 deorbit burn here. So we do not condone any space junk. And there you go, we've had that deorbit burn. And there you go, we've had that shutdown. That'll wrap up today's coverage of this incredibly successful mission. Congratulations to the entire Phoenix-1 team, and for that matter, all of the teams. I know that they are going crazy right now. But that'll wrap up today's broadcast. Thank you so much for watching, and tune in for Nebula's first flight coming up soon. Have a good rest of your day.